here with the S10. Split the pulleys and stuff on. Don't have the belts on yet. I'm about to slap those on. Should probably put that on. Alright, so accidentally touched the distributor and moved it, so probably a little bit out of time. Better do a cold start on the S10. It's around in about 2 weeks or so. Alright, so I'm going to put the 2 front pulleys on for the water pump and alternator, power steering pump. Put the belts on for those, and then I'll drive it from Matt and his little brother's house to my new house. Still out of time, but gonna drive it. Dude, you'll fucking stop me. You got 6 wheels.
Bad boy, a 6-wheel drive and smoke all 6.
Stop me, dude. 6-wheel drive versus 2? That's unfair. This 10's so fucking sexy just sitting there idling. Down the street in my S10. People stopped in the middle of the road and shit. Alright, I just parked the S10 in my new house. There's my new house.